Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Ford F-350. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.4-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 111,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy original paint, has no scratches, dents, or rust, and has been fully detailed. It has had all scheduled maintenance completed. Key features include camper package, CD player, satellite radio, traction control, automatic climate control, MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, leather seats, power door locks, and power windows.